Hi, here's a couple updates I just did on the GDI resource page. This resource page is what you get in the welcome email when you join with GDI, okay? It has all the training on it on how to set up the funnel. It has all the share codes for the capture pages on it, okay? So I've just done a couple tweaks for our members. Now, when you join GDI, we're going to have separate capture pages now. Capture pages for those that are just joining GDI. Maybe you're already in Leads Leap and you're already a pro member. We get that. We have 10 capture pages for you. And now, like I said, on this resource page, there's banners on here. There's banners for you to use in exchanges and things, or mailers. And then there's advertising resources on here too. There's email templates. There's information on the GDI learning bonus that you can get step by step how to go through that. There's the link to get to my private Facebook group for the GDI. I put in their Facebook posts every so often, every week I'll put in there a few different Facebook posts and some images for people to use. All right, so this is exciting. And so now what I've set up is to reward those that not only join us with GDI, but also join us and upgrade in Lead Sleep. I'm going to have a whole nother section of capture pages for if you're below us in GDI and in Lead Sleep. Okay, is because that's the second income stream. They're residual income streams, and the funnel, I've gotten such a great response from the funnel, from the capture pages. I've gotten so many wonderful compliments of how much you guys love the capture pages, and I'm just really excited. So I decided to go with this because what ends up happening is a lot of times people already be in Leads Leap and they don't feel like canceling out that and going to another one, even though they don't have anybody below them. But yet, if you want the full funnel with all the capture pages, and there's 10 capture pages for if you're just going into GDI, and the traffic resources are my best traffic resources that I found over the years. Of course, those are optional, of course, but this way, the extra, the capture pages will be for those that joining us in Lead Sleep 2 and upgrading. Okay, why is it important to upgrade? Because as a pro member, you get so many more benefits. You can use the full email series. If you set it up, you get the full email series. I'll still go in and set it up for if you want me to, but like I've said, it's only 50 emails that I'm going to set up. You double your commissions from free member. You have unlimited landing pages, or capture pages, I call them. Free referrals. Lead Sleeps gives you have hands-free pro ads. You have 10 hands-free pro ads, okay? And pro members get traffic from Lead Sleep Co-op. Besides, you get all that for $27. So there's Lead Sleep and GDI are a perfect match. And Lead Sleep is, you get an autoresponder too, okay? I don't even know if we said that in here. No. But it is an autoresponder. There's most autoresponders start at $25 and that's all. There's tracking in this too. And like I said, unlimited capture pages and landing pages. So Lead Sleep is really important, and the pro membership benefits are incredible. They really are. Let me take you to the new capture pages. Okay. Now here is one of them. And as you notice, and they all have pop-ups on them. And if you notice, it's very generic. If you want to, you can take GDI out and put your own business in. But you still need to be with us in Lead Sleep. You need to be sign up below me or the sponsor, the person that sent you to this video. Okay, and there's another one. There's 5 of them all together. And yeah, and there's that one. All right. And you will find that right here on the GDI resource page. It's right down in there is where these 5 are. And this is going to be growing because you know I'm always tinkering with the capture pages. And eventually this will be 10 special capture pages for people that join us in Leads Leap, besides the 10 capture pages for those that sign up with us in GDI. All right, and eventually there'll be more. There'll be more coming, okay? Because this is, I enjoy doing this. Alrighty? So remember, if you want to get the 5 additional capture pages from me, that's 15 altogether. And eventually, like I said, I'll be adding 5 more. Just join besides in GDI, in Leads Leap and upgrade, and then your sponsor will get that out to you. If it's me, look for that welcome email to come within 24 hours. Most of the time it's right away if I'm online or if I'm around. Okay, I'm almost always on Facebook, to the annoyance of my daughter. Okay, so again, God bless, take care, and yeah, have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend.